What specifically distinguishes the newest Amazfit 3 Pro from the Amazfit Bip U Pro variant, which should influence your choice between the two despite the fact that many of the features, including Bip's popular budget pricing, remain basically the same. In today's video, we will be giving you a detailed comparison between the high-end model smartwatches, the Amazfit Bip U Pro and Amazfit 3 Pro.
Let's find out.
Design. The newer model of the two, which is the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro, is much bigger in size, weighing about 33.2 grams compared to the Amazfit Bip U Pro, which weighs 32 grams, making it quite easy to distinguish between the two smartwatches. Obviously, the larger size was necessary to accommodate a bigger battery.
Very big. Very big.
And we will be going deeper into that later in this video, so stay with us to learn more. The Bip 3 line, nonetheless, continues the predecessor's design, making both models share almost the same components, including the same plastic body structure and a 2.5D glass display, as well as the same rectangular dial and single button design. The watch did still place more of an emphasis on functionality and affordability than on expensive materials and elaborate designs, producing a light wristwatch that is comfortable to wear for extended periods of time. When it comes to the straps, both watches come with the same 20mm quick-release silicone straps, but only that of the Bip 3 Pro is textured. The Amazfit Bip 3 Pro is available in black, cream, and pink, while the Bip U Pro offers you black, green, and pink options.
I'm weighing the options. I will decide.
Display. The larger Amazfit Bip 3 Pro featured a larger display of 1.69 inches compared to that of the Bip U Pro, which features a display of 1.43 inches. The major difference between the two displays, however, is that the newer Amazfit Bip 3 Pro came with a TFT LCD panel, which, although is more energy efficient, has a narrower viewing angle and is less crisp, coupled with a reduced resolution of 240x280, which is evident due to the size of the screen, while the LCD IPS display of the Bip U Pro has higher viewing angles and color reproduction. The older Bip U Pro seems to be successfully competing for significance. Keep watching to find out more about how the two smartwatches compare in terms of the sensors and other features they pack.
Now that's interesting.
Battery life. The Bip 3 Pro has the capacity to last for weeks rather than days, even if it wouldn't last anything close to the initial 30 to 45 days that were initially promised when the Bip was released. In typical circumstances, you can expect it to last for around 2 weeks. Many of Amazfit's watch features, like advanced sleep tracking, all-day stress tracking, and sampling continuous heart rate data at regular intervals, must be disabled in order to reach those maximum battery life estimates. You'll get close to 1 week if you regularly use both those features and others like GPS-based workout tracking. And you can expect the Amazfit Bip U Pro to last up to 9 days under normal conditions and 5 days under extreme use. For more product reviews like this, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our timely updates.
Wait, there's more.
Sensors. Though both watches seem to have sensors that look different on the back, they don't seem to be too different.
Rhythms, because they are using the same exact sensor for heart rate monitoring, and that's going to be with sleep and SpO2 tracking as well.
And you will get all-day blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring on both smartwatches. In addition to tracking more than 60 different sports activities, they both feature sleep tracking, stress tracking, as well as menstrual period tracking. At 5 ATM, water resistance is likewise unaltered. Both watches are suitable for both aquatic use and use while you engage in sweaty workout sessions. Other features. Both devices allow location tracking, although the Bip 3 Pro should be more accurate because it supports 4 satellite positioning systems as opposed to the Bip U Pro's single satellite positioning system. The Bip U Pro also features other advantages, like a built-in Amazon's Alexa voice assistant, making it possible to summon assistants like you would on an Echo smart speaker. The lack of a speaker, however, makes it impossible to make calls with your smartwatch. while both smartwatches continue to be both compatible with Android and iOS. The Amazfit Bip U Pro is compatible with devices running Android 5.0 and above and iOS 10.0 and higher, while the more recent Amazfit Bip 3 Pro is only compatible with devices running Android 7.0 and higher. We can therefore say that while the latest Amazfit Bip 3 Pro model features a bigger display, improved battery life, and more precise and quick location monitoring, the older Amazfit Bip U Pro model surpasses the newer model by boasting of a better display, an electronic compass, and an on-wrist voice assistant. Price. Talking about the price, both devices were released at a retail price of $69.99. But as most manufacturers do, the older Bip U Pro model had a price reduction after the Bip 3 Pro was released. Do you think it's worth spending a few extra bucks to get the newer model? Tell us in the comment section below.
We got you.
As part of our ongoing effort to compare the features of smartwatches to help you make decent choices, we have another video which provides detailed insights into why the Apple Watch Ultra is not a match for the new Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Check out our next video, New Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, Why Apple Watch Ultra Don't Stand a Chance, to find out more.